New tonight, we've learned a convicted murderer was granted time served after a jury selection glitch, but now he may get deported.
24-hour News 8's Sarah Hurwitz is in studio with a breakdown of the case and whether the ruling might change the outcome of other court cases. Sarah?
Well, Antonio Garcia Durantes served 15 years in prison. In the middle of serving his sentence, he filed several appeals which failed until he claimed his Sixth Amendment rights were violated after the discovery of a computer glitch that underrepresented minorities in the jury selection process. The man connected to this scene of investigators gathering evidence behind yellow tape back in 2000 will soon be deported.
We will inform the Immigrations and Custom Enforcement people of the sentencing date so they'll know to be here, and they will pick him up and take him back to his native land.
Kent County Chief Circuit Judge Donald Johnston says Antonio Garcia Durantes pleaded guilty to charges he already served after he won an appeal for a new trial. This dates back to 2001 when a jury convicted Durantes for stabbing two men in Grand Rapids, killing one. He appealed several times, but his conviction was upheld. That is until he filed a federal habeas corpus petition claiming his Sixth Amendment rights had been violated.
For reasons that were never clear to me, some of the zip codes in Kent County were underrepresented by the computer program.
A glitch in Kent County's jury selection process underrepresenting minorities was ammunition for Durantes and his argument challenging the racial composition of his jury at the time of his trial. The malfunction has since been fixed.
There was no record made of the actual composition of the defendant's jury, and I frankly don't remember whether there were minorities on it or not.
It's a case Judge Johnston and Kent County Chief Assisting Prosecuting Attorney Chris Becker agree set a potential standard for other cases.
Based on this decision, there may be some cases down the road that we may have to retry.
There are other murder cases from the same time period which now may have defendants raising the same issue.
And last April, Target 8 discovered minorities are still underrepresented on juries in Kent and Kalamazoo counties. And some legal experts believe that the system that Michigan uses to select jurors may be to blame. We have a link to that story on woodtv.com. In studio, Sarah Hurwitz, 24-hour News 8.